So we found it.
Government agencies have now cordoned off the area and
Hey, what's up guys? I want to introduce you to my latest piece of software, which is called the MLM Scraper. If you guys have already seen some of my other softwares, my Sales Spider Extractor, Social Site List Buster, Classified Scraper, then you know my software pretty much does what it says, guys. It pretty much kicks butt, really. Here's the MLM Scraper, what it's going to do for you. Let's open it real quick. Double click on it. What it's going to do is it's going to scrape MLM sites like Amway, Monavie. What I've done is I put a list of some of the top MLM sites. I know I don't have all of them on here, guys. I know I don't have a lot of smaller MLMs, but I've got the biggest ones, probably in the top, top 10 or 20 that are actually has a lot of emails, has a lot of subscribers to their MLM companies, right? How would you guys like to have the emails to all of the people in Amway? How would you guys like to have a bunch of emails from people in Monavie, Melaleuca, Avon, Shackley, Primerica, all these guys? This is what the software is going to do. Now, only thing you're going to have to do is, on my previous software, is you could put a keyword. You don't have to put a keyword in for these sites, guys, because these guys already are about making money. So this is not a targeted. You don't have to put a keyword in to try to target your emails. These guys are already, you want all the emails from these guys, so you don't have to put any keyword at all. All you got to do is just select one of the companies you want the emails from, and it just simply, the very first thing you want to do is your Google search engine comes up over here. The very first thing you're going to want to do, guys, before you even hit search or anything, you want to come over to this little wheel. Hit the Options tab right here. Come down to Search Settings. Click on Search Settings. Come down. Make sure, okay, here's what you probably have. You probably have your Google Instant on. You're gonna have to turn your Google Instant off, because if you don't turn it off, then you can't change this 10 results per page to 100 results. We want 100 results per page, not 10 results. That way we can get more emails. Okay, so we want to turn off the we want to click on the Do Not Use Google Instant. Click on that, and then we want to come down here. And now, when we did that, you see how this lights up, where you can do something with it now. Come down to 100 results per page instead of 10 results per page. Got that? Do not use Google Instant. 100 results per page. Come down and make sure you save the preferences, guys. Now when we search, normally a default, in Google search engine default, if you search for something, it'll only give you 10 listings per page, and you have to hit next page and you get next 10. Now it's going to give us 100 listings per page. You guys get that? Alright, so let's just say we want Amway emails. All we got to do is hit the search. If we want the Gmails, we can get Gmails, we can get the Yahoo emails, Hotmail emails, or MSN emails. It doesn't matter. You can go through all of them. Is what I tell you to do. Really, is just go through all of them. So let's start with the default. The default, if you hit search, is just Gmail. So if I click on search, you notice the parameters that come up here is gmail.com, Amway.com. That's what it searches for in the Google search engine. What it does is going to go find all of the websites that has something to do that says something about Amway.com, and also has a gmail.com, which allows us to find the emails in these sites. That's how this software works, guys. All right, for instance, let me show you right here. Look on LinkedIn.com. It found a page in LinkedIn.com that talks about Amway.com right here, and it also has an email, Gmail, right? So that's why it's highlighted there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to load the data. We're going to load the data from all these pages. Now, if you did it correctly, if you did the search settings correctly, guys, and change it to 100 results per page, when you do the search button, you'll actually see this bar is a little small because it lists 100 results. See that, guys? Instead of 10, it lists 100 results instead of 10. Okay. So we'll get more emails off these rounds. All right. So we want to load the data from this first page. This is the first page results. This is the first 100 results. We want to load the data. So hit the load data button. When we hit load data, it's going to go ahead and go to page 2, and it'll queue page 2 up for us. Okay, so we've got page 1's data in this box now. Now we want to hit extract emails. When we do that, it's going to extract the emails out of that data of page 1. Got that, guys? So look at that. The first time it hit was 125 emails. Not bad, all right? Pretty good software. Now we're on page 2, so all we got to do is hit the load data, and it's going to automatically take the data, load it into this box, and queue up page 3 for us for the next time. Hit load data. It goes to page 3 right here. Go ahead, hit extract emails. 251. Load data. Goes to page 4. Extract emails. Just go back and forth, guys. Now, here's what you have to do. Google will only allow you to go to 10 pages most of the time. Sometimes it's less than 10 pages if they don't have any more results. You guys understand that? Sometimes you'll only go to page 2, and then an error pop up. If an error pops up, just X out of the error, guys. It's no big deal. It just means there's no more results for the page. And to be honest with you, I just didn't know how to make the software pop up and go, hey, no more results for that page. So just X out of the error, guys. That's normal. But now, if everything goes well, you will go all the way to page 10. Then once you reach page 10, that's when you hit load data. It'll actually throw that error up. No big deal, guys. Just X out of the error. That means there's no more results for the Gmails. Okay. Now what you want to do is go to the Yahoos. So just click on Yahoo if you want all the Yahoo. After once you go through all 10 pages and you get all the emails, hit Yahoo, and it searches for the Yahoo.coms Amway. Got that, guys? Load data, extract emails. All right, guys, 408 emails already. This is targeted prospects. Are you kidding me? My software rocks, guys. I created this for marketers. I created this for you guys to be able to get your product or whatever you have, your MLM company or whatever you guys do to these guys. This is a very, very targeted traffic, guys. Very, very good piece of software. Don't underestimate what the software can do for you guys. Now, then once you go through all 10 pages, get the error button, X out of the error, and then go to Hotmail and then MSN, get all those. And then you can go down to MontaV, do the same thing, just MontaV, start off with the Gmails if you want. Okay, load the data from the first page, extract the emails. Pretty cool, right, guys? Very targeted. And you go to Yahoo, Hotmail, MSN, get all those, and you can just get them all, guys. You can build a 10, 20,000 person list in probably less than an hour if you do this. And one of the other questions I get is, hey Vic, why don't you do this automatic? Why we got to manually do it? Because Google doesn't like this, guys. Google doesn't like you probing in there. They don't like you doing this over and over and over. If I did it, if I made it where it went fast, it'd be a prrr. Google knows that, and it will give you a warning on your IP is what it'll do. Because they don't like you doing that. But now I've literally made it use the search engine. That's why I've got the search engine literally in this box over here for you. Okay. And we just do it manually, so it don't go so fast, and you won't get hit for an IP warning or anything like that. Okay. All right. What next? Oh, so what do you do with emails? Well, you want to save them. If you hit the save button right there, guys, you'll be able to save all these emails into a text file on your desktop. Put them wherever you want to put them, and you can name it whatever. Let's just say MLM companies, MLM. Save it, and if you come on, I put mine on my desktop. So if I come over here on my desktop, right here it is. This is the text file with all the emails in it. Now, look, guys, spam is dead. You won't be able to spam people anymore. Spamming, in other words, guys, us marketers, you know how we used to be able to email people, we'd get people's emails like we're doing here, and we'd just email them, right? That's pretty much over with, guys. You can't really do that anymore. They will ban your domain. They will take down your domains now, guys. I've already had a domain taken down last week from one of my affiliates in Bulgaria. He went a little nuts. He got it out there. He went a little overboard, basically. So they took down my domain, and then they wanted a whole lot of money. So long story short, guys, here's the deal. Don't do it no more. Don't worry about the spam. I've already got a solution for that. I've got a solution for it already, guys. That's what I do. I create solutions for us. So you don't have to email these people. I have figured out a way out to get around the spam without getting caught for spam. I figured out a way, guys. Which, if you buy this software today, I'm going to give you the bonus video that will show you how to get around spam. Now, I'm the only one right now, as of today's date, that knows this solution. I created the solution for us. That's what I do, guys. I have to create solutions for us, stuff that works, right? We can't just keep doing the same things that don't work anymore. I will give you the bonus video that shows you how to get around spam. All right, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you, introduce you to my latest software. Also, I'll have a README text also in here into the zipped up folder, guys. Just unzip the software when you download it. When you purchase it and download it, you can unzip it, put it on your desktop, whatever, and then run it if you want. Oh, let me cover this real quick too, guys. If you have Windows XP or Windows Vista or something that some reason the software does not work, in other words, if you click on it, guys, and this Google search engine does not come up right here, it just stays blank, or if it times out or whatever, you got to download the latest .NET Framework version 4, guys. Here's what you need to do. All you got to do is just go to the internet, guys, and I prefer Google, so you'll be able to, if you do the Google search engine, just type right here, put a period, put .NET Framework version 4. Can I see that? .NET Framework version 4. That's what you want to search for, and it's right here. .NET Framework 4 Web Installer. That's the one I use. Click on that, and what you want to do is this. Just hit download right here, guys. Don't worry about doing anything else. Don't mess with nothing else. This is the correct version. Every time I've ever went over and helped one of you guys with it, this is what you don't do for some reason. All you got to do is download the .NET Framework, guys. Right here. And then just hit download. Once you download it, I want you to run it. I want you to save the file first. Save it and then run it. Whatever you need to do to run it. But you got to make sure you run the software. Once you run it, then all you simply do is If it doesn't tell you to restart your computer, then you're good to go. If it tells you to restart your computer, go ahead and restart your computer. But if it don't tell you that, then you're good to go. Then you'll be able to come back over here, click on this, and then that should come up, guys. Got me? Okay, and then you're good to go. Alright guys, see you guys in the videos. I'll also have a readme text if you want in here. I'll have a readme text once you unzip it. Go to the readme text, guys. I'll actually show you how you can get your hands on classified scraper, social site list buster if you want, or the sales spider extractor, and also have a guru list buster, which is not up here right now. But I do have a guru list buster. I got lots of software, guys. I started creating for us. I got lots of software for us if you want them. Alright, okay guys, take care, and I'll see you guys on the videos.